Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a scheduled meeting on Google Calendar. So first of all, you have to open your Google. You can type google.com and then you can hover this button and click it. As you can see here, there's so many options, and click on calendar. Okay, so in this section, you can change the display of this into week, month. Just click here and then you can select moon, Sunday, or day. So I'm going to change into moon so I can see in the bigger image. So to set up a schedule, you have to choose when do you want the meet begins. So for example, I'm going to choose at 8. Click here. And then you can decide, like, do you want the meeting begin daily, weekly on Tuesday, monthly, or you can adjust by yourself, custom. So I'm going to choose daily, for example. And then you can click the Google Meet section here. And then finally, the meeting session is ready. You can share this meeting session to anyone by clicking this copy conference info. You can also add a location, add notification, add some attachment, the description here, and then you can click save it if you're ready. And now your meeting session is ready. As I said, this meeting for daily, so it will appear on this daily calendar, as you can see here. So I think that's pretty much for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.